6th standard going to read today's news. British High Commissioner to India Alex is call on Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma had on Monday and held discussion on a wide range of issues including cooperation on sustainability, health and education between the northeastern state and the European country. The Chief Minister for collaboration between India and the UK to promote a green economy including electric vehicles and tree plantation. The British High Commissioner was impressed with the success of the world record-making Amrit Briksha plantation program. The CMA posted on the microblogging site X. Discussion were also held to insert more opportunity for Assamese students to apply for the achieving. Sport news. Empire blocked Jazz Butler from reviewing incorrect wild call in dying state of England lost to West Indies. Thank you. Have a nice day.